In this video we will talk about automatic feature extraction functions. Here we have point cloud project of simple church building. When we are working with automatic feature extraction functions, first thing to do is to set recognition parameters. To do it we will select automatic feature extraction function and we will click somewhere on the point cloud where we want our plane to be recognized. In a pop-out window we will adjust parameters until our plane will fit with selected surface plane. So now we can use features such as automatic plane recognition, actual box recognition and so on. Now we will take a look at multi-corner lines function. For that we have another view section created. Here we see outline of internal walls. Using multi-corner line function we will have to select base point by clicking somewhere on the point cloud, by selecting UCS or by setting elevation. In this case we know that our UCS is in the same elevation as our building, so we will select UCS. After that we will start clicking on lines that we want to be recognized, so we will follow outline of these internal walls. As you can see, walls are recognized precisely, and once we have every but one recognized we will use close option and we will join our lines. So now we will adjust our clipping box so that we can see some columns to recognize some circles. Since we can see section view of our columns, let's go ahead and let's select AutoCircle function and let's click on point cloud to recognize them. Undet does it really good, but we misclicked and our circle was recognized inaccurate. We will delete it and we will try again. This time it is much better. Moving forward we will use some plane fit functions. Once again we will adjust plane recognition parameters for better performance. Now we will draw very inaccurate outline of this wall segment and we will extrude it to make it 3D solid. So now we will use fit face function and we will adjust inaccurate wall to point cloud information. First we have to select face that we want to fit to point cloud, and after that we will click on point cloud plane that we want our face to be fitted to. And as you can see, that face was fitted perfect to selected place on point cloud. We will go ahead and we will do it to all of our object faces. But as you can see, not all elements are on the same plane. So we will use divide face function to divide our face into multiple faces and we will adjust them according to point cloud information. Once we have wall face divided into segments we will use another function which is fit extrude, so we will select the face that we want to extrude and then we will click on point cloud towards where we want selected face to be extruded. Now we will use same fit extrude and divide face functions to adjust our wall according to point cloud information. Last function that we will show is corner line. Undet will automatically recognize and draw corner line between two planes. We will use same wall segment, and using corner line function we will click on two planes which are next to each other and line between them will be drawn automatically. If you have any questions about automatic feature extraction or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.